A lot of the mathematics we're going to use in our senior school involve what we call grouping symbols. Now, you may have used grouping symbols in in primary, so at some stage. Basically, what grouping symbols are, we call them brackets, braces, or parentheses, and that's what they look like. You've probably seen them before. You may not have called them brackets, braces, and parentheses, but that's their official names. A lot of times, as I've written down here, we've got different names, but a lot of times we use these ones, and they get called brackets. It's really just semantics, but they're the official names, but they all basically have the same function. What they allow us to do is to group numbers together, and the rule that we have to follow is this one. When we have these in an expression, now mathematical expression is something where we've got lots of different numbers there together. What we do is any calculations in the brackets, braces, or parentheses first. So you have to look for those in an expression and do those first. Now, if we have a look at some of the examples, if we have a look, we've got 6 plus 3 times 7, and the 3 times 7 are in what we generally call brackets, but we have to do that first. We don't do the 6 plus anything first. We do 3 times 7 because we do whatever's in the brackets first. Now, 3 sevens are 21. And then once we've done the 3 times 7, we do 6 plus the 21, and our answer is going to be 27. If you don't do those first and you do it out of order and you say maybe 6 times 3, 6 plus 3, and then multiply by 7, you'll get a different answer, but it won't be correct. Okay, we've got to follow certain rules in mathematics, and one of those rules is that we have to do anything in the grouping symbols or brackets first. In the next example, we have 5 plus 2 in the brackets, and that's where I'm going to get the 7 from, because 5 plus 2 is going to be equal to 7. Once I've done whatever in the brackets, then I can do the multiplication to say 7 threes are 21. The next example, we've got 12 divided by 4, but it's in the brackets. We must do that first. So 12 divided by 4 gives us 3, and then we're going to add 2. And then 3 plus 2 gives us 5. In the next example, 27 divided by the bracket of 5 plus 4. So we add 5 plus 4 together first. And that gives us 9 because we do whatever's in the bracket first. And we get that. And it allows us to do 27 divided by 9 now, which gives us 3. So we've got to follow those rules. You can't get away from doing what's inside the brackets first. If you do something other than that, then you're going to get a different answer to what normal people would get, and it's not doing the correct mathematics. It's like not following the correct word expressions in English. If you don't say it correctly, then people have trouble understanding what you're saying. The same thing with mathematics. If we don't follow that correct order and do all our brackets first, because that's what everyone's expecting, then we're going to have different answers and it's not going to be correct.